Hello, my dear students. I have prepared this tutorial to help you out to work on your Unit 3 the conditional tense practice number 1. So I hope it helps. And here it says, study each situation and complete the sentence below. Decide whether to use a first or second conditional structure. So as you might remember, in Unit 3, we looked at the conditional tense. So there are 3 tenses in the conditional tense. They are the first conditional tense, the second conditional tense, and the third conditional tense. But in Unit 3, we only looked at the first and the second conditional. So as you might remember, we use the first conditional to talk about situations that are likely real to happen, right? For real situations, for probable situations, and we use the second conditional to talk about things that are unlikely to happen, things that are not probable to happen, imaginary situations, hypothetical situations, right? So the structures for the first conditional is the verb in the present simple tense plus will, right? And the structure or formula for the second conditional is the verb in the past simple tense plus would. Both of them are followed by an if clause, right? So let's study these situations. Number 1, according to the weather forecast, there is a chance of snow tomorrow. Study this situation. Is this something that it's likely to happen? Is this situation an imaginary situation? It is a real situation, right? So, according to the weather forecast, there is a chance of snow tomorrow. If it snows, present simple, I will need to buy a pair of gloves. So here I'm using the first conditional tense. If it snows, right? Present simple, snows, plus will. Will need to buy a pair of gloves. Let's have a look at exercise number 2. Patrick is deciding whether to go to France or Spain on his next holiday. Is this a real situation? Is this probable to happen? Is this an imaginary situation? It's hypothetical. It's not real. I think it's real because here it says Patrick is deciding whether to go to France or Spain. So he's going on holiday next year, so he needs to decide. So if Patrick goes, present simple tense, go to Spain, he will be very satisfied, right? So this is likely to happen. This is a real situation. That's why I'm using the first conditional. Goes in the present simple tense, and he will be very satisfied, will, which is the other part of the first conditional, right? So number 3, John works 12 hours a day. If John were not so busy, he would have more time for his family. So this is an unlikely situation. This is not real. This is an imaginary situation because John works 12 hours and he's very often busy, right? He's working all the time. So he hasn't got time for his family. So if John were not so busy, were not hypothetical, right? Second conditional, were not or weren't busy. so busy, he would have more time for his family, right? This is something that you wish to happen, but it's not going to happen because John works 12 hours a day. So that means that he's so busy. Number 4, Kate is out of work, but she goes shopping every day. If Kate continues to go shopping, she will run out of money. Is this a real situation? Is this a hypothetical situation? Is it an imaginary situation? Study the situation. Analyze the sentence. Kate is out of work, but she goes shopping every day. If Kate continues going shopping, she will run out of money, right? This is a real situation. This is probable to happen because she is out of work. Kate is out of work. She shouldn't go shopping, right? Let's have a look at number 5. It is a sunny day with clear blue skies. Is this probable to happen? If it rains, I will need an umbrella. Another likely situation, another probable situation, right? This is probable to happen. That's why I need to use the first conditional. If it rains, present simple, I will need an umbrella. First conditional, will, right? So I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget that I'm here to help you and I'll be glad to help you out working on your homeworks. Feel free to ask for help, please. Don't be shy. Try to work on exercises 5 to 10, then submit your homework. If you need help, just let me know. Okay? Good luck, everyone. Bye-bye.